Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making fake nails without nail glue. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Monica. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So let's dive right in. So the first thing you want to do is to start with some nail prep. I sanitized my hands to clean them. Then I lightly buff the surface of my nails to help them stick on better and last longer. And also I push back my cuticles to prevent any lifting. Next, take some newspaper and fold it over a few times. Then do the same thing again. Stack them on top of each other and trim down the sides. Then you want to cut out your nail shape from it. This is pretty much similar to my tissue nail video, but somebody requested that I try it with newspaper, so I thought why not, let's give it a try. And also they wanted to see how I cut the nail out. So first I cut out the cuticle area to make sure that it fits well. Then I trim down the side to make sure it fits my nail perfectly from side to side, so that my natural nail won't show through. Next I'm taking a little bit of PVA glue and cornstarch and stirred that together to create a thick paste. Some people said they wanted to see a tutorial like this without the cornstarch, so if you want to see that, let me know. Now I'm taking all the layers and I'm applying a little bit of the paste to my natural nail first and sticking on the first piece. Then I covered that with the paste and stuck on the next piece. I pretty much repeated this for all the pieces. If you have some layers that are not the right shape, you can just hide them by sticking them in the middle of the nail. Also, you want to leave the cuticle area thin, and once you're happy with the thickness, keep in mind that when it dries it does slightly shrink. Also, I am going to leave some top tips and alternatives in the description. So if you don't have any of the ingredients I used today, I will let you know what other items you can use. Once I did that, I tried to give it a curve, and I left it on a plastic sheet to dry for 24 hours. Now this is a quick update for about 5 hours later. The nail did flatten, so I reshaped it. So these are all 5 nails 24 hours later. They are quite strong and not too bad. Obviously they are long, but I am going to shape them now. So the first thing I did was cut it down to size, and I wanted this to be quite short. I didn't want them too long. And then I measured it to the rest to make sure that they were all the same height. Next I'm taking a file, filing the sides and the cuticle area, and also buffing over the nail to make it nice and smooth for when I paint them. If you can see a few bubbles from the glue, you just want to keep buffing over that until it feels smooth with your finger. Now I'm taking some base coat and I'm putting it all over the nail on the inside first and then the outside. And I did about 2 coats of this to help them last longer. Now I'm going to be using acrylic paint to paint mine. You can also use nail polish if you want. I just couldn't be bothered to wait ages for it to dry. So I custom mixed some pastel colours and then I painted a few coats to the nails. So this was the next day, and I'm going to use nail glue to attach them. Some people said that I kind of clickbaited my last video because I used nail glue to attach them, but I didn't use it to make the actual nail. You could use other things like UV gel, and I will list some more in the description. Nail glue is just my preference. So yeah, finally I applied a nice top coat, and you're done. And yeah, they are pretty sturdy. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, thank you so much, we just hit 2k subscribers. I appreciate it so much, it means a lot to me. And let me know how I can give back to you guys. Like, do you want me to do a giveaway? But yeah, thanks for the support, it's amazing. Hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!